How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right, tell you what it is. I'm just going to get a couple of wee things here. This here is a Yale book catalogue, dated 1917. So she's 106 year out. Now this thing here shows you all these different locks. Okay, all different locks. So there's like padlocks there. What's got there? Um, Everybody has to have one. You know, if you're a Yale collector, you need one of these catalogues to see where your Yale things. Beautiful book. 500 and some odd pages not there, and fantastic, Nick. I got that from America. Right, I got this here from, I think it was Greece. It's a Yale, I think it's, I don't know, what do you call it? Affinity? Um, oh, I needed a card. Oh no, where's my big card at? Oh, there it is. This key button on it there. Original keys, there's two of them. And you basically just push it in. It's just a push key. Some cars snap that in there. I don't know why that's not fit, but there's that one there. I see these are all for my collection. This here is an Abus. It's a vintage Abus. Spring loaded shackle or guard, not shackle, guard cover. See? So a big massive keys. This thing, big massive keys. Two of them here. There's two keys. Let's see if we can get this thing opened. Nice. Let's see what else. Oh, we Yale. We tiny we Yale. Let's see maybe there, better there. Thank you. You think that's what it is? I think it. Alright, nice. Yeah, so I'm going to show this here master. This here's a new one, obviously, you can see it. But the key, I like the key on it. It's not just like one of them pin tumblers. It's a warded key. I think it's warded anyway. So, and you obviously turn it and then slide these things up and down these bars. I think it's a bicycle lock personally, but it's going to my master's collection. So, what else I want to show you? Oh yeah, this is just another version of that one there. This is in fact the exact same version of it, only a smaller shackle. Same keys. And to be honest, I didn't realise that there until there now. I had the big version and the small version. So, didn't realise that. That's good was. I'm sitting here those weeks. Let's see. Beautiful wee Yale. That's just the ordinary key for it. Let's see if I can get this thing opened. I don't even know what it is. Fits in. It should be that way. Why is it not that way? I get the right key for this thing. I have. No way that's not working for. I had that working one time before. Because I had the key in the wrong way around, that's right. I had the key in the wrong way around. Smart. Can't even put a key in right. Right. This here's a beautiful wee Yale. You can clearly see a nice different thing on it, yeah. I like this here, this round shackle on it. And that's the key for it. It's obviously a push key, as everybody probably knows. I'll see if I can push this up. Do that. Not down. How do we spring that this one is? But nice. This is an unusual one. This here, you think that there's like a there's like sort of a blacky sort of color. I don't know what that is. Grey, sort of a black sort of a color. I don't know what do you call that there? But she's a beautiful Abus one, and I've never seen that color before. That's the core on it. That's the keys on it. So very nice. That's brand new out there. So, right, I'll do one more. Alright. No, I'll tell you what, no, because you can't even see that one. I'll do this one here. Abus. This is a 34 close shackle 55. Locknib Dublin only a couple of years back. They're hard enough thing to get. These year one 34. So dead shackle obviously, as you know. But anyways, that's enough. There's a few more here and I don't want to bore them. Right, everybody, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'm going to do a parcel opening from America probably on Saturday or Sunday, and this is a big parcel, so look forward to seeing that there. Right, bye bye.